Greetings, my dear followers. Today we will speak about coolers. You know, I have played for a long time around the FPS of my iPhone. You know, I have iPhone 13 Pro Max, but this is not enough for our games. So, developers of the games are kidding on us. Okay, it does not matter from now, because we have a coolers and our phone gets really cold. Я забыл про важнейший элемент, без которого невозможно поиграть в PUBG Mobile, потому что мой телефон нагревается как ядерный реактор. Черт. And you can even play the Genshin Impact on totally maximal graphics. And of course, PUBG Mobile. You know, PUBG Mobile is not so aggressive around my phone. So, in this video, we will test several coolers and we'll see what the impact they could give to your phone. And if you will write a good comment around me, or not so good comment, but write it, I will give away this second half broken cooler below my video. And in next several videos you could see the result of this giveaway, and I will send this thing by mail to any part of the world which you could live. It doesn't matter for me. You could get this thing and you will see how your phone could get more powerful. Welcome. So I have decided to buy this Blackshark cooler version 3. Never mind, I have destroyed version 2 because I'm stupid and I have destroyed the controller. I will tell about the safety of these devices. By the way, I have got this Fingerprints protector Acme fillers as a gift from Blackshark, which allow me to play better. No, I still noob. Wait. Oh, that's it, guys. That's it. Now I am able to use it. Let's try to use this.
2 hours later.
Oh, I'm close. Okay, one is done. Click. Oh, really? It works. I have never used these things for gameplay, so let's test them also to PUBG Mobile game. I will check Genshin Impact today and PUBG Mobile. Let's check how the cooler is work. By the way, I have used version 2 cooler, but I have broken them. I have broken it. I'm stupid. I have broken my previous cooler. It's Blackshark 2 Pro version. So now you could see, not see, you would hear these sounds. It's very loud and noisy. So the reason what was happened, I have used it from a port of my MacBook, and unfortunately I have just 1 ampere of the current strength, but you need to use 2 ampere at least. But let's keep this in order. Order and chows. Come on baby, come on. Let's go, come on, zip. I think we are not able to test the Brawl Stars. You know, why you should buy cooler for Brawl Stars? Your phone is so bad? Okay, now we have it. Now we're ready. Okay, I'm just opening the package.
Ой, неловко получилось.
instruction. Really. What I've done exactly to this cooler? I've destroyed it at all. But let's test this cooler. Okay, let's come to PUBG Mobile first. It's less consuming games in Genshin, you know.
У меня комп не тянет Genshin. У кого не тянет Genshin, ставьте плюсы.
Okay guys, now we are come to PUBG Mobile and we'll test what will happen with my phone. Oh no! Whenever I will play without a cooler. Okay, let's do the crash test. I'm ready. So, I will enable 90 FPS. Take care. And I'll play with it. With 90 FPS I will play for 10 minutes probably. Then we will come to Genshin. Test it by the way. Okay, 90 FPS and smooth balance of the graphics. Let's take care and check.
We like this shit, see. We like this shit, see.
I really think that this game is the best one. So I'm coming to my account. Oh, you kidding guys? 15 gigabytes! Oh my god. Okay. I love anime and I love Genshin of course. Okay, we need to wait and my phone will hit. Oh, I feel it. I feel it's really close to fluctuate the FPS. Let's check it. Yes, it's close. It's close. What the fuck? If I won't able to hit it with Genshin, I will take much powerful weapon. I will use Antutu benchmark, and then with Antutu benchmark we will compare what has happened to my phone. Okay, so you see I have totally, oh now, 120 FPS. Okay. Okay, my phone is still alive. It's really cool. You need to understand that iPhones is better than Androids. Okay, now we will destroy it with this. Okay. It would be really powerful thing. That FPS is fluctuating. Okay. So now I feel that phone is really heated up.
Five minutes later.
So now you could see the result of this Antutu benchmarking test. Now we could go to PUBG Mobile and we'll try to play. So now let's come to TDM. So now you see I'm not able to kill anybody, but now we are enabled the cooler. We are enabled the cooler, and it's really easy to use. I could connect it to the anything, but right now I have such thing. You see it. Oh, now you see it's a big powerful station. Now we are do this. We are connecting, and we have here Peltier element, and it's really cool. Within 1 minute I have really cool cooler. But as you see the difference, I don't see a temperature here. But in previous version I could see a temperature. It is a little disadvantage, I think. So, but this version I have much better cooling. You see, it already has some water on the background. Right now you could see that I'm using it from this station, but now it's not work well, and here is the maximal mode of it. But if I want to, you have seen this application previously. So if I will enable smart mode, you hear it's very slow, and first time when I've tried to run it, it has not worked at all. So be careful, guys. Its price is almost $100, so I don't think you want to lose 8,000 of UC to buy new cooler, you know? Okay, you could use them using power banks, even. Oh, so there is no big difference between them, but this cooler has possibility to see the temperature. So you could see it shows degrees of the temperature in Celsius, not in Fahrenheit. But this one has not such options, and one big disadvantage of it that you could see its temperature only using this application. So you need to add it. Now we need to wait a bit. So disadvantage of this cooler, you could regulate it here, but it's disadvantage that you could not see what is temperature now. You could see this even in application. So somehow second version is better, you know. So I have not touched it, but now let's run the Antutu test again. and see whether the result of test would be better maybe. It does not matter. Okay, we now have last result 6, 8, 9. But now I have a totally cold phone. So now let's test again.
We like this shit, see.
My phone is hot, but not so hot as in previous test. So probably we could get better results now. And now it's a boring test. It's not about graphics, but about our phone's math skills. And wow! You see, we have 800s of thousands. So you see how much power you could get through this thing. So guys, thank you for watching. Buy cooler for yourself. Have a nice day. Subscribe. Participate in giveaways. And good luck. Bye.